Welcome back, Shalloners. I have an exciting announcement. You remember how I used to do happy endings at the end of my videos, right? A little sex or hookup tips. And YouTube was like, no, you don't get to do that. They would demonetize videos and sometimes they would take the videos down altogether. Well, a platform has come along that is going to allow us to talk about the things we really want to be talking about and that we're really actually thinking about. It's called Infstream, INFSTREAM, not InfoStream, it's Infstream. I didn't name it. It stands for Infinity Stream. I didn't name it, just, okay. But basically, it's a members only site. It's $1 a month to subscribe, which is great. I really wanted to do something that was affordable for you guys so that everyone could have access to the videos. And basically, it's an ad-free platform so that we can talk about anything, because that's why YouTube would demonetize things, because the people running ads like don't want to hear like have blowjobs being discussed in their ad about like garden rakes or something like that. So I'm still going to be 100% doing videos here. Don't worry, the schedule is not going to slow down at all. I'm just going to be adding some stuff over on Infstream. So head over there. I put up a video today because it's Father's Day. I'm talking about my own really like secret saga with my dad. I mean, it's not something I tell people a lot, but I've talked before about wanting to reclaim your origin story. And I think that's really important. And so that's part of the reason I'm sharing it. And I think you guys are going to maybe feel less alone if you're going through some parent stuff. And also, I got a video talking about losing virginity. I'm going to tell you my also sad, weird saga with that, how you can feel better and get some info there. And I want to know what you guys want to see on that platform. Because like I said, we can talk about sex. We can do like hand job demos, not on a real person, but like a banana or something like that. So lay it on me. Let me know what you guys want to see. And I'm excited because I feel like it's just going to be our like Shallontourage clubhouse, where we can like share much more intimate stories that I don't maybe feel like sharing with 400-something thousand people, maybe just a more concentrated group. And like I said, talk about sex because we're all thinking about it. We want to talk about it and we want to learn and grow because that's what we do here on the Shallontourage. We learn. So head on over to Infstream, INFSTREAM, and just search my name. I'm on there and you can subscribe for $1 a month. Pretty cool. See you soon, Shalloners. Mwah!